Hey, my TVs, and welcome back. And we're gonna get loaded again with another loaded tea. Um, I'm trying to make a low country Carolina drink, maybe like a Carolina blue, low country blues, and that's the aesthetics that I'm going for. So I'm gonna do this. Let's get into it. Let's go ahead and get loaded. Let's load up our collagen here. Now, I have not just a regular green tea, but I'm using a blueberry green tea today. I've never tried it. I had it and I wanted to use it. And we're gonna get that stirred up right quick. Then I wanna make sure I got all this at the bottom all stirred up. I need to get another one of these. Even though this is the kind that you charge, I don't like the way it looks, but okay. I got that mixed up. I'm gonna do the pineapple passion fruit by Skittles. And I'm gonna do Sonic's Ocean Water. Since we're down here in the low country and we're near water, I'm gonna try to create that. Oh, that's a pretty blue. Okay. All right. Okay. Can you see that? How pretty that is? All right. All right. So you know what's next, right? Ice. I always make a mess with this ice. I'm sorry. Now, today I have coconut water. So I'm gonna pour a little bit of coconut water on here. Well, I'll just pour all of it on there. Hey, now what I'm gonna do next is, since I wanna make this a low country Carolina blue, I'm trying to get a Carolina blue. So I'm gonna do this. I had a little bit of coconut water left over, so I'm gonna mix that in there. And I might need to add some more water. Just a little bit more water. And before I mix that up, I do want my aloe vera in it. Even though I didn't use very much, but it's enough. And I'm gonna do this. And y'all, hope this turned out okay. So far, I've made a couple that I don't really care for. But most of the ones I've made, I do like, so. Let's get it all whipped up, because you know this come out thick. Okay, so what I did here is I added the Weiler's coconut to it. And I'm gonna pray that this turns out all right. Still came out kind of thick, probably. That's all right, it's gonna mix up though. I'll have to let it seep on down. I'm gonna whip this up some more. But you see that pretty blue? That's what I'm trying to get. I want the aesthetics of a Carolina blue. And see how that is? Now that would eventually go down in there. But see that? That is so pretty. I live near the ocean, so hey. I think that's a pretty Carolina blue. I think I'm gonna call this a Carolina blue or a low country blue. How about that? Now you know what we gotta do next, right? Yeah, let's taste it. Oh, It tastes so tropical. So coconutty and tropical and pineapple, raspberry and all that good stuff. All right, my T-Bays, until the next time. Let me know if you're gonna try the Lowcountry Blue. All right, babes, love you, bye.